We have here Dr. Ravindra N. Goyal, MD of Chemline Adhesive and Coating. A very good morning to you, sir.
Very good morning.
Could you please tell us about your company and your products?
Yeah, our company is Chemline India Limited. It was founded by me about 34 years back. I am a research person. I am a doctorate in polymer science and technology from IIT Delhi. And I founded this company from scratch. So initially we started this company by manufacturing of various kinds of adhesives. And we innovated labeling adhesives at that time, lamination adhesive for packaging industry, etc., and many other products we worked on in the flexible packaging industry, etc.
Any new product launch you have done?
This time we have launched our barrier coatings for paper. Recently we developed barrier coatings which are replacing polyethylene, in the paper cups and also the paper packaging, food packaging. So we have come up with our barrier coatings, and we are also giving barrier coated products and barrier coated cup stocks. Yeah.
So how will the product be beneficial to the paper industry?
Because most of the time till now, all these food packaging papers were having polyethylene layer inside them. So our product would be replacing polyethylene layer, and it will be eco-friendly, compostable, biodegradable. So that is the advantage of this product. It's an eco-friendly and sustainable product.
Okay. What are the features and advantages of your product in comparison with others?
This technology of barrier coating is recently being developed in the country. Not many people are manufacturing this. So this is the initiation of this line, sustainable papers, replacing PE coatings in various food packaging and cup stocks, etc., etc. So this being done for the first time actually. One or two more people are there in the barrier coatings. We are the initial ones.
Okay.
This is a new development by us.
Okay.
Yeah. People are importing barrier coatings from Germany and Japan, and we have developed indigenously this barrier coating. Yeah.
So how do you ensure the quality of the product?
For ensuring the quality of the product, we have a complete research and development and quality assurance department in our company. So we see the barrier properties, we see the coating thickness, we have our own coating systems, and we have a complete setup for ensuring the quality of the products. And application testing also is done by us. Yeah.
How is the paper sustainability happening in India, and how about your products?
Like paper sustainability, it's a product which makes the paper sustainable. So once it is used in food packaging, we replace PE coating. PE, it doesn't is not sustainable. The paper cannot be biocompostable. But with the barrier coating, it is compostable. So the paper can be recycled and it is sustainable. Yeah.
So how is the paper industry recent growth?
Have an idea on that?
I am not the expert on the paper industry, but of course, the sustainable papers. So now the whole of the country wants to switch over from PE coated papers in the sustainable papers to barrier coated papers. So I understand that Tamil Nadu and Kerala they have taken the lead in this, and they have replaced PE coatings. They have banned PE coatings. So this part of the country is progressing faster in the barrier coatings, whereas in the northern India, yet PE coating is still going on in a very big way, but it should be replaced slowly and slowly. Yeah, slowly. Yes.
So lastly, how do you find the show here in the South edition of PaperX?
Yeah, it's a nice show. We were very happy to come here. There are a lot of inquiries for barrier coatings replacing PE coatings, and so much of inquiries are not there in northern India. So people are more interested in sustainable papers in Tamil Nadu and Kerala and other states here in the South India. So the growth of sustainable paper is better here compared to northern India. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much, and thanks for giving us the opportunity for this interview. Thank you very much. Thank you.